Hola. It's May 25th, 2023. It's almost 6 a.m. I'm tracking another storm coming from the same direction as earlier this week. This is like the third time it's come in like this. But it's already starting to go away. We'll see where it goes. See, the system that I have is literally sucking all of the energy out of it. See how it's coming down south? It's coming right next to me because I'm sucking it all out. And as it's hitting these two radar dishes up here, look at the spiking effects around the edges, all the way up, because it's literally tearing it apart. It can't develop into a big storm inside my Orgone field, and I have two radar dishes pointing that way, one this way and one slightly above it. So right now it's getting like pounded. But I'm taking it easy on it. I don't have the wand on it or the infrared light. So I'm not such a bad guy. We'll see what happens. Do some more shots. There's some storms starting to develop over here in Africa. But I don't think they're going to come over here too much. This whole area is clear. Okay, and the etching, remember I showed you in the last couple of videos, here you can see it sticking out a little bit still, and it's coming from down here. Other days it'll come out farther, but you're always going to see something there, and that's from Sandman bubble going this way. I know how this sounds. It sounds pretty crazy, but the stuff where, I mean, just by the simple premise that you can take an Orgone pyramid or cone or whatever, you can put it in the freezer with the glass of water above it, and the water is going to freeze with a tornado inside of it. Okay, and you can take that same pyramid and cone, and you can go outside and you can point it at a cloud, any cloud in the sky, and within a few minutes, that cloud will disappear. So based on those facts and the fact that Wilhelm Reich was working on this stuff, and he was making it rain in places where it's never rained, but with the same equipment you can make it stop raining where it's not supposed to be raining. You know, he didn't get to that part yet. He was just making it rain because he didn't know the full effects of Orgone, of what all it does. But it's pretty important stuff. On Facebook, on Bubble Tech, it says it's the most important project in the world. And at first, I thought it was just a gimmick. But after I started working with it and seeing everything that it does, they're right. Because this stuff is like, it's almost like from another world, because it changes stuff that you can't see, and it does stuff to biology that you can see and you can prove. And if you put all that together and you use it accordingly, you're going to see a change. So I'm trying to report all this as I can, and right now I'm the only one that can really read all this stuff, so I'm trying to show you, and that's why I leave the radar link so you can watch it, because I'm leaving these dishes in permanent positions. Okay, one's going north, one's going, well, one of them rows around, which is the one that's going towards Austin, Pegasus. That one can move. The other one's up here towards Colorado. And then we have one over here, Sandman, going towards Carolina. And then we have Icarus going towards the tip of Florida, towards Africa, really. And this whole area is clear just from that one radar dish. And Pegasus, I was pointing it down for a while and it did all this. Just down here, because I was just pointing it this way. And over here, the water's not getting clean because I guess it's too far, or it's from the mountains, or I don't know. But the land is definitely clear everywhere in the United States. I'm sure you can notice it when you go outside. Look straight up in the sky, and you'll see the sky at the very top where the firmament is going to be. It's going to be almost purple color. And you look down towards the edges of the sky, it's going to be like a light blue, a pastel. Okay, it's 6 p.m. the same day, and here's what's left of that storm. It went south and just disappeared. I waited too long, I guess, to film it going away. It's been like a few hours. And here's some more stuff flaring up over here. This radar view right here is more accurate because the way the world really is, it's like round. It's like a flat circle. So all the latitude lines are running parallel, but they're running in circles, concentric circles. So really, Africa is not on the map. It's like down here. It's not. It's like a little bit higher. And Australia on the other side is not way down here on the map how you think it is. It's going to be up here because it's on the other side of the circle. So oh, and also I wanted to point out something. If you start calculating throughout the years since 2018, since I started doing this and stopping, since 2018 there hasn't been any more hurricanes. The last one was that one in 2017, and that's when I first started doing it. I hadn't put anything on radar dishes yet, so that hurricane got us. I was in the hospital while that happened. But we haven't had another direct hit since then because of me. And if you add up all the plants, animal, and people that I've saved throughout the years of all these, if you watch these videos, all these storms and hurricanes that I've pushed to the side or minimized, and for sure kept them out of direct hit out of Houston, because they hit Louisiana everywhere else except here, because I pushed them away. And even wherever they did hit, it was less. It was minimized. So if you add all that up, it's going to be probably a whole city like Houston full of souls that would not have been here if it were not for me, for this Orgone that I've been doing, this project ODEN, that's cleaning all of this. And luckily I have this radar that can show you, because I haven't seen any other radar that shows the cleaning effect that's happening. I've seen it transform from all hazy like this, all white like that, to dark right here where I'm at, because I'm the one doing it. So I just want to put this video out real quick, and I'll be back with more as soon as something pops up, like this one over here. Like these little storms that are flaring up, we're gonna watch them and see what happens. But I don't think they're gonna be any. They're going south already. And the etching's coming back. You can see it right here a little bit behind the clouds. It'll be back in a day or two. You'll see. You can't see some of the effects every day, but if you watch consistently, you'll see everything. Okay, well, have a good day. Thanks a lot. Love you guys.